Hi, let's do some math. That'll be fun.
Okay, let's do the evens. Oh, this one's not too bad because 1,000 is 10 times 10 times 10. So the third root of 1,000 is just 10. That's a good way to start. 512? 512. Let me see there. It's 2 times new. 512 divided by 2 is 256. 256 is 2 times 128. And 128 I've done a bunch of times. Isn't that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? It's 2 to the 7th. So 7, 8, 9. So 512 is 2 to the 9th, I think. Yeah, it is 2 to the 9th. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Every 2, 1 comes out. So 1, 2, 3, 4 2s come out. So this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times the square root of 2, which is 16 radical 2. 98. 2 times 49. Okay, it's the square root, so we just need 2. So this is 2 times 7 times 7 times k. 1 7 comes out. Okay. 24 is 8 times 3, and 8 is 2 to the 3rd power. So we've got 2 to the 3rd power, and this is the 3rd root, times 3 times m to the 3rd power. And every time you have 3, 1 comes out. 2m times the 3rd root of 3. 512, remember, was 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 2s. I'm going to do something. 2 to the 8th times 2, x squared. Okay, so this is the 2nd root. So how many 2s are in 8? Right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 2s in 8. So 4 2s come out. 1x comes out, and this 2 is left. So it's 16x times the square root of 2. Again, we have a negative to an odd, so when that happens, you're going to get a negative answer. Oh, I put a 1 there. I didn't need to. Just a negative. I'm just getting ready for the answer. Okay, so I want you to be careful and watch this. 16 is 2 to the 3rd times 2. That's 8 times 2. B to the 8th is b to the 6th times b squared. And I chose b to the 6th because that's 2b to the 3rds. So 1, 2 comes out, 1a comes out, 2 b's come out. And everything left, oh, it's negative, by the way, is left in. So 1, 2, 2 b's are left in. Looks like I didn't need that negative sign. 3rd root of 16xy. 16 is 2 to the 3rd times 2. Every 3 2s, 1 comes out. So it's 2 times the 3rd root of 2xy. 16. 56. 7 times 8. And 8 is 2 to the 3rd. So when you separate this, it's 2 to the third times 7 times x to the third times x squared y. So what comes out? 1, 2 does, 1 x does, oh that's the third root, and everything else stays in. So the 7 x squared y stays in. Okay? Now the last one's fun. You can only take one out when you have a 2 to the 7th. I'm sorry, you can only take one out when you have an nth power. So the 3 has to stay in. Doesn't matter what this root is. 3 has to stay in. But 2 to the nth, there's n of those 2's multiplied together, so 1, 2 can come out. Now, this one's weird. It's like x to the n squared. So how many x to the n's do you have multiplied together? There are 2 of them. So 1, so, oh, I should rewrite this. There's a better way to think about it. So this is x squared to the nth power. Same thing, x to the 2n. Now how many x squareds do you have? You have n of them. So if you have n x squareds, 1 comes out. Okay, now this last one's funky. But look, remember this, like if you have w to the 3rd power times w to the 7th power, that's w to the 3 plus 7, which is w to the 10th, right? So you can write, when you have a base to a sum, you can write it as each one of these multiplied separately. So this is y to the n times y to the 3rd. And see, since we have a y to the n, 1y comes out. And everything that doesn't have an nth power on it stays in. So this 3 stays in. And this y to the 3rd stays in. So this is 2x squared y times the nth root of 3y to the 3rd. Hopefully that helps, and have a great day.